In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your service using the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're starting fresh or expanding an existing business, having a presence online can be pivotal in reaching a broader audience. Let's get started and explore how Hostinger can help you achieve just that. To begin your journey, make sure you're at your Hostinger's homepage. If you've logged in, you should see the dashboard that provides an overview of all the tools available. This is your command center for creating and maintaining your website, so it feels like the best place to kick things off. Once you're comfortable navigating the homepage, locate and click on Store. This section is integral to setting up your service as it allows you to manage everything related to your offerings, from products and services to orders and customer information. By clicking Store, you are effectively entering the marketplace setup area of your site. Next up is accessing products. On the store page, simply click on Products to bring up an array of options. This is where you will see existing products, if you have them, and can begin adding new ones. It's a productive space that brings together all your service-related information in one place. To ensure that you're effectively managing your offerings, you'll want to click on Import Products. This option empowers you to bring in product data, streamlining the process of adding new services to your marketplace. By importing, you make it easier to handle bulk information, a useful feature if you have numerous services to list. Now, onto the exciting part, adding a new product from scratch. Simply click on Add Product. This is where you'll take your idea from concept to clickable item on your website. Fill in all essential details of your service, like the name, description, pricing, and any other specifics that will tell your customers what they need to know. Make sure your descriptions are compelling yet clear, as they will act as the first impression many prospective customers will have of your service. By following these steps, you've set up your service offerings on Hostinger. It's important to keep your store updated and enticing. Regularly review and optimize your product listings, descriptions, and images to attract and keep your customers engaged. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to navigate Hostinger's website builder to sell your services. Feel confident in refining your digital storefront and explore all the possibilities of expanding your business online. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to explore Hostinger's resources or contact their support for more personalized advice. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.